You just graduated. Your future looks so good. Now you want to make your career in investment banking, project finance, equity research, valuation, or financial modeling. You start applying for jobs in your chosen field of, let's say, investment banking. But you realize very quickly that you are missing an important skill. Wherever you go, everyone you interview with asks you about your financial modeling, valuation, and Excel skills. It becomes absolutely very clear that without financial modeling and valuation skills, you can't get your dream job in core finance. Now what should you do? Should you give it up? Join any accounting or data entry type profile? Don't worry and don't get frustrated. We are happy to give you a better option. IB Institute in Delhi, the #1 institute providing advanced level practical training on investment banking and financial modeling. You learn practical financial modeling skills, which is must on the job in core finance. After successful completion of the course, we ensure that you face multiple interviews in the field of investment banking, financial modeling, valuation. Our training program will enable you to make financial models from scratch for any company, and you will also learn how to do valuation of real companies. Our experienced faculties who carry experience of years in finance will help you to shape your career with live practical training session, CV building, mock interview, and also in final placements in 300 plus companies like ENY, KPMG, eValueServe, Moody's. Join IB Institute, a Microsoft certified training center. You can attend face-to-face or online classes. You will get free lifetime access to 400 plus videos in mobile apps and pen drive. You will get certificate for Excel specialization from Microsoft and financial modeling certificate from NSE. A great dream career in investment banking is waiting for you.